Don't count the coins. Don't count the coins, sis. Don't.
Oh, the Fenty is even a better match. Oh, bitch. They might have did something with this one.
For two. Girl math. Hi guys, so I wanted to hop in here really quickly and talk about some of the Black Friday deals. I don't know what these brands heard about, or they know something that we don't, and why they're all doing the Black Friday sale so early this year. But I want to talk about some of the stuff that I have on my Black Friday my Black Friday wish list. And this is a wish list. I don't know if I'm getting all this stuff. Okay, don't count the coins. Don't count the coins, sis. Don't count it, because I didn't say I'm getting all of it. I say it's my wish list. So the first on the wish list is Madame Devore. I don't know if I'm saying it right or if I'm pronouncing it right, but I bought some stuff from them earlier this year and I absolutely love their quality. The things that I got from them were more dress. I'm going to party, I'm going out to turn up vibes. But the pieces that I want to get for Black Friday are some sets that I seen on there, specifically the pants that I seen on Madame Devore. So they have a blue pants, they have the black one that I want. They also have the black and gray, charcoal gray pleated pants that I want. Also, I think they have 4 pants that I want off their website for Black Friday. Last year they did 40% off, and I also shopped their 40% off sale last year, and I absolutely love everything that I got. Quality is top notch. The quality is worth the price. Okay, so another Black Friday deal that I want to check out is Telfar. Telfar is having another buy one get one free, but you have to send in a video of why you want to give the person the next bag, blah blah blah. But I want to get a Telfar on their Black Friday sale. I want to get a medium Telfar black bag because I do not have my go-to black purse anymore. My go-to black purse was a Steve Madden bag that I scored at Ross, and I had that purse for I think 2 or 3 years, and it took me through the mud. Okay, I had it with Kai and I had it with Milani, and that was their diaper bag slash my everything bag. And I want another purse that's equally as big but have a little bit more versatility. So I think I'm gonna get the medium Telfar in black for my go-to everyday bag. Another bag that I want to check out is the Nor X bag. So this is from another black owned brand, and these are like under $100. And I've wanted these bags since my birthday. I think since last year, but I wanted them for my birthday. I didn't get them for my birthday, so I think I'm gonna pick them up on Black Friday. Hopefully they have a sale. And I want 2 of them especially. I want the pink ombre one, and then they have this Cobra two-tone one that I love, and they have this green liquid gold one that I want also. And yeah, and then another bag company is JWPEI. I have a green bag from them. I really want 4 of their bags, but I will stick to 2, and it's the mini abacus bag. I have the regular abacus in green, but I want the red abacus and I want the fluffy orange abacus. And I seen these sunglasses from Lollipop. I don't even remember the name of the brand. I actually saw it on TikTok, and it has it's black, well, it has yellow lenses, and I want those glasses so bad. But if I can't get those, I will be happy with another pair of Tom Ford. I have a Tom Ford glasses that are on my wish list that I want real bad. And then as far as clothing goes, I know that Hanifa is having a Black Friday sale, and I always save my coinage for Hanifa. I love her items. I purchased items from her last Black Friday, and they have become staples in my wardrobe. Absolutely love the quality. Think it's worth the penny. But if you want her pieces and you want them at a steal, definitely check out her Black Friday savings. I think it's about to be the 17th and it's 40% off. I will be shopping. They have this dress slash top, and I want it in blue, and she has these fold over black trouser pants with this white cuff detail on the top. I want those pants also. Those are the two things that I have my eye on from Hanifa that I want on her Black Friday sale. Hopefully they restock the sizes on her website, because all my sizes are completely gone. So if they don't restock the sizes, I won't be buying from her this Black Friday. But fingers crossed they restock the sizes. And then as far as clothing again, I want to shop some stuff from Naked Wardrobe. Naked Wardrobe look like they have a lot of good basics, and like I've said before, Naked Wardrobe look like they have a lot of good basics, and I'm trying to build a capsule wardrobe that I'm excited to wear my clothing items when I'm going out to party or I'm going out to run errands, and I want to look nice and put together and have quality items. I want to invest in quality, and Naked Wardrobe look like they have nice quality items that are basics, that are double lined. So I feel like Naked Wardrobe is on my list to look out for Black Friday. I have a whole cart of things that I want from them that are going to be basics. So the three places that I'm making sure I shop this Black Friday is Hanifa. Hopefully if they restock the sizes. Next is Naked Wardrobe. Next is Madame Devore. And then Teflar. Those are the four places that are top 4 on my list to shop Black Friday slash Cyber Monday for fashion items. With that being said, if I don't get something for Black Friday, I'll probably get it for Christmas or something like that. But those are my top 4. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. What are you picking up this Black Friday? What sales are you shopping online and in store? Comment down below and tell me if you have any new brands that you're looking at. With that,
I saw the situation she was in. No one dared to help her or speak up on her behalf. She therefore had no choice but to remain subservient. So as you guys see, this situation is extremely disturbing. Now, what is very interesting is that this reminds me of what Kim Porter went through, allegedly, okay? And I've never really gone into too many details about Kim Porter and her alleged abuse with Diddy. But for all of us 90s kids, if you guys remember, you know, while Diddy was doing him and fucking around with J-Lo and, you know, being seen with her and acting like Kim didn't exist, Kim was tired of it, and she started a relationship with Shakir Stewart. If you guys don't know, Shakir Stewart was, at one point in time, he was promoted to be an executive vice president of Def Jam Recordings. He was also a manager. He's the one who got Sierra signed to LaFace Record. He also helped sign Rick Ross and Young Jeezy. So a lot of people in the game really respected Shakir Stewart. So anyways, legend has it, right, allegedly, him and Kim were dating. And Diddy was really, really pissed off about this. So they were basically in Saint-Tropez. And they're saying that Diddy found out about her messing with Shakir Stewart and he got pissed off. And he allegedly basically took her by the head and slammed her face into the table, which broke her nose. And I remember that going around the internet back in the day, because Kim's face, if you look at her nose does not look like how her nose used to look back in like the 90s and the 2000s. You can tell like something happened to her nose, and they're saying that it happened after her trip to Saint-Tropez with Diddy, and that Diddy broke her nose because she was messing with Shakira Stewart. And I don't blame her, because Diddy was messing with, you know, tons of women while he's supposed to be faithful to her.
In 2008, Shakira Stewart would replace Jay-Z as the executive.
Niggas want me to get ratchet, niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Raunchy like Bob Saget, greedy I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it, wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my best can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing, all of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it, it's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind. It's so embarrassing, all of the things I need living inside of me. I can't say, it's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind. Hey. I'm blind, 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 hey.
So it's date night. Your girl was trying to get ready and not have these bright lights on in this bathroom, but this is the finished look. This is a bodysuit. Don't know where the bodysuit is from. I got these from Amazon. Public Desire heels and my Brandon Blackwood bag. So I'll vlog from my phone.
I can't see, I'm blind.
Hi guys, so I got a haul. I got some stuff from Sephora. I ordered some of the stuff online and then I went in store, but I couldn't find anything that I wanted, so I just ended up purchasing majority of the stuff online. So the first thing I got is the oatmeal cleansing balm, and this is from Inculus, and it says it helps remove makeup, cleanse sensitive skin, and this is 5 fluid ounces. I just wanted something that was going to be gentle on my skin. I use something with salicylic acid in the morning after I come from the gym, and I wanted something that's going to be more gentle for my skin at night, especially now like how it's getting a little bit chilly in Florida. That's why I got this, and that's the only skincare product I got. So let's talk about makeup stuff. Sorry. So as far as makeup, I got the Nessa Myricks Yummy Skin. This is the serum skin tint, and I got this in shade 10. And I have this balm, the Nessa Myricks balm. I love it. I got the translucent shade so I can use it whenever. But because I'm not into full coverage makeup like that anymore, I'm more into skin tints and skin balm and light skin like foundation. I got this to test it out to see how I like it. Not sure if it's my color, but we shall see. Then I got the Fenty Beauty skin stick. I got this in shade 14. This is the Eavesdrop Blur Plus Smooth Tint Stick, and I got this in 14 because in the skin tint liquid, I will say in the skin tint that I have, the liquid version, it's a little bit too light for me. I feel like it's perfect to mix with foundation, but it's a tad bit too light. And I literally would rather my foundation be a little bit darker than light. Then I got another Dennis Amarix product, and this is the Yummy Skin Balm, and this is in this is a blush, and I got it in Golden Hour, and it's a orangey blush right here. I love supporting black businesses. Both of these are black owned. Fenty is owned by Rihanna. Dennis Amarix is owned by Dennis Amarix. And let's talk lip products. I got a lipstick, and this is from Fenty Beauty. Not a lipstick. I got another lip gloss from Fenty Beauty, and this is in the shade Hologram. And this shade is super duper different than any other else shade that I've seen from Fenty, and it looks absolutely amazing. I put some on my daughter because she was crying to use because of the glitter and how pretty it looks, and she was crying to use it, and it looks absolutely amazing on her skin tone. And as you guys know, she's a little bit more chocolatier than me, and it looks great on her. So if you have any questions about it looking good on you, especially if you're darker than me, go right ahead and get it. And then for lips, I got 3 lip pencil. I got the regular Sephora lip pencil. One is in, let's see, this is the crayon. This color is, it don't even say the color. This color is in deep brown, and this color is in light brown. And then I got the expensive one, which is about $13, and this is the Sephora Rouge lip liner, and this is in molasses number 17. If you're looking for a nice brown lip liner and you're darker than me, this is also great. And then for my gift, they got me a Charlotte Tilbury set with a lipstick. Cute little lipstick. It has a nice amount of product on it, and then a lip liner, and then let's see what shade this is. The Lip Cheat Reshape Resize lip liner. What color is this? I guess it's Pillow Talk. And then the lipstick is Pillow Talk also. And then what I really wanted to buy during the Sephora savings event, because I was getting 15% off, was perfume. I've had my eyes on some perfume all year. I've been using tester. I got a tester from Ulta. I think it was $45, and I've been testing out fragrances. Also, I have a lot of Dossier perfumes, which I love. So I felt like it was time to invest more to my own perfume collection. And when I'm buying perfumes, I'm not gonna buy a whole bunch of perfumes. With me, quite frankly, I would much rather use my Dossier perfume like every single day, and then save my real perfumes for like when I'm going out and special occasions. So I'm not gonna be one of those girls that have a whole wall of perfume. I think I'll probably just get anywhere from maybe from 5 to 10. 10 is kind of pushing it. I think I'm probably gonna stop at 6. And those will be my signature scents, like 3 for fall and winter, and then 3 for summer and spring, and keep it like that, or do them for different occasion, like 1 for birthdays, 1 for night out, whatever. But the first one I got is the YSL Libre, and I got it in the intense version. I sprayed the regular version and the intense in store when I went in store, and I liked how the intense
dried down better and it lasted longer. When I tell you that it took me about 3 days to get it off my arm, it's really intense. And if you guys don't know, YSL Libre is kind of a unisex perfume, so a girl can wear this, a man can wear this, and I like it a lot. It smells like a woman, a businesswoman that is a CEO. She is a boss. She don't take no mess from nobody. And I love the, I don't want to say oud in here, but I like that it's not too sweet and too florally. If you know anything about me and my scents, especially the scents that I pick from Dossier, I like oud, I like me some bergamot, I like some, I don't know if they're unisex perfume, but those notes, oud and bergamot, are like my favorite scents. And then I got Valentina, Born in Roma, and I got the pink one because in my little tester I had the pink one from Ulta and I absolutely loved it. This one smells like a nice feminine woman that's sexy and walks in her feminine beauty. It's a little bit on the sweeter side and it has a little bit more of a flowersy note, but it's not too overpowering sweet. But this is just give me sexy feminine lady. I was like, this is perfect for date night. And then last but certainly not least, the Prada. So I got this, and I actually got this because I smelt it in store, and it was one of the only ones that I liked in store, because before I placed my order I actually went in store and I couldn't find anything, and I sprayed a lot of the perfumes. So I got this, and I also think it's cute and I like the shape. And then let me do it. The Prada is definitely giving sophisticated, sexy. The both of them are giving me the same type of vibe, like sophisticated, sexy, feminine, which I like a lot. So yeah, I mostly got perfumes because I got 15% off, and all of these are in the 1 fluid ounce, and I felt like it was money well spent because I got 15% off, and also I had a $65 credit, so I basically only paid for 2. Girl math. That is my girl math, okay? I got 15% off and I had a $65 credit, so basically I only paid for 1 of these. I only paid for 2 of these. 1 was free. So yeah, that's what I got from the Sephora sale. I hope you guys got what you guys wanted. But yeah, I'm very happy with my purchases. I'm gonna go put these away and see if the foundation actually fit and all of that. So this is my little tray that I got from Amazon. As you guys can see, I have a lot of Dossier perfume up here. One is actually Babes. I think I have space for, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have space for 4 more. And the reason why I got 3 lip liners is because I normally, why is it so dark? And the reason why I got 3 lip liners is because I normally have 3 lip liners. So I normally have BFF 3, and BFF2 from ColourPop. And I can't find my BFF2 anywhere. And that was my most used lip liner. So that's why I got all of 3 lip liners in this sale. It's good to have lip liners though. So this is the Yummy Skin Tint. I like to test things on my neck, really. Oh shit. Yeah, it's my right shade. Number 10 looks good. Number 10 of Yummy Skin. It looks real good. It's a half a shade too dark a little bit, but it looks good. You can't even see it on my neck, which is why I know it's a good shade. This is the Fenty. Let's see. Oh, the Fenty is even a better match. Oh, bitch. They might have did something with this one. Anyways. I like both of them. And I love the consistency of these Yummy Skin Foundation. The Yummy Skin Tint. Anyways. I'm about to put these right here. I had a small area of makeup. Like I reduce the amount of makeup that I wear or that I keep to one little small drawer. One little drawer because, be quite honest with you, I'm not that into makeup anymore. I will try out new stuff here and there, but running to the store to get it like I used to do, I don't do that anymore. It's a given.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.